Hi all, I'm Dr. Karen Catt coming to you from my happy place in Illinois. I wonder if you're right now where I was a year ago. Are you overwhelmed by all the anti-aging skincare choices out there? I was. Are you busy and just want something simple? I did. Do you have combination oily, dry skin, sensitive skin, and don't want an allergic reaction or zits from your skincare? I did. Would you prefer something science-based with patented published ingredients out of a biotech company from Princeton University? Yeah. Or are you just one of those people that don't know me and question, did she have procedures or some sort of surgery? Well, I'm going to show you exactly what I've been doing for the last year, a hands-on demonstration. The first thing I do is wash my face. I used to hate washing my face, would do it maybe once per week with plain old soap and water, and now I look forward to washing my face because of this double cleansing face wash. When I apply it to a dry face, it acts as an oil-based cleanser to bind oil, makeup, even eye makeup, and air pollutants, and it's creamy and luxurious. I then add a little water to make it into a milky lather, and when I open my eyes it doesn't sting. I then rinse it away with water and it turns into a water-based cleanser to leave my skin pH balanced but not stripped, ready to absorb the cream like a sponge. Now I'm ready for the Age IQ night cream at bedtime. Did you know that at age 20 we start to lose collagen? This has a patented ingredient called Sig-1273 that inhibits the breakdown of collagen, protects us against urban pollution, and decreases P. acne counts in vitro. My frugal self loves this because it's multifunctional, so I don't have to buy a lot of products to address fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and large pores, saggy skin, and it moisturizes, but yet helps my blemishes. I apply the Age IQ night cream to a wet face, some water here. I pump it into the palm of my hand and a pump of our vitamin C product called Boost. To make it simple, just mix it in my hand and apply it like icing on a cake. No need to rub in. This is very important. When the Age IQ night cream dries, there's a slight tightening sensation as it locks in moisture and antioxidants overnight, creating a mask-like barrier between your face and the pillow so it doesn't rub off on the pillow and the pillow can't cause wrinkles. You can lessen that slight tightening sensation by applying to a wet face or adding in the vitamin C Boost like I showed you. On top of the Age IQ night cream, I apply the eye serum. The first time I used this stuff, I thought it was magic because within 15 minutes, my under eye bags and crow's feet were significantly reduced. It's not magic. Turns out it's patented, published, plant-based science, as with all these products. Because a little goes a long ways, I just apply one drop, sharing directly underneath both eyes and out to the crow's feet area, remain expressionless for 30 seconds. Long term, it's helped with my dark circles because it inhibits the breakdown of heat. I definitely noticed a boost in my results when I added the day cream to the night cream, which makes sense because it allows 24-hour coverage between both. So to simplify things, you can pump the Age IQ day cream into the palm of your hand and then the vitamin C product, mix them together and apply it all at once to your face and neck and décolletage. Very creamy. This is Boost, the vitamin C product that's gotten rid of the sun damage at my cheeks and brightened my skin. Did you know that vitamin C starts to degrade the moment that it hits either air or liquid? Well, this has patented technology so that the dry vitamin C is kept in a separate chamber from the liquid niacinamide. The first time you pump the bottle, the two chambers mix, shake it up. Lord only knows how long other vitamin C products have been sitting on the shelf and degrading. I use these Hydrogel eye patches once per week as a special treat. They sort of feel like a cold washcloth on my face when I'm not feeling well. Place the N below the outer corner of your eye. I've got one on here, and they're like jellies. I'll put one underneath here as well. I'll sometimes put them in the refrigerator first so they feel even more refreshing. The package says to leave them on for 20 minutes, but I'll leave them on for hours until they're crispy, having released all of their moisture. And here's a little trick. So halfway through, I'll flip them over and put them at the sides of my mouth for my wrinkles there. And I have a friend that does the same for her 11s here. They're such a huge hit, even with Hollywood celebrities, that they're endorsing them without having been paid a penny. I love the body firming contour cream. If you had asked me as a physician a year ago if there's anything that could help sagging skin, cellulite, or stretch marks, I would have said, no way, all that stuff is bogus. Well, I was wrong. This is my secret weapon against the sagging skin on my neck. Now, others have used Age IQ day and night cream on their neck and have had fabulous results as well. I apply 1 drop to my neck and rub it in thoroughly for at least 20 seconds, pretty vigorously. Here, my little waddle, and then down to my décolletage. I apply it to other areas of my body, which I'm not going to show you. My daughter is 22 years old and she doesn't pull punches. I asked her after I've been using the firm for about 3 months, do you think this stuff is really working for my cellulite and stretch marks? She took a look and she said, Mom, what cellulite, what stretch marks? They're gone. How does this work though? It contains caffeine, which increases circulation to decrease skin dimpling. Fascinatingly, it contains something called forskolly root oil, a member of the mint family, which also decreases skin dimpling. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine and was found in the Sanskrit text 3,000 years ago. When taken orally, it can accelerate the weight loss process. Now, I'm not suggesting that you drink this. I know you want to bathe in it, but please don't drink it. So this is what I've been doing for the last year without any needles, procedures, or weight loss, to look, in the words of my husband, at least 10 years younger. If you think it would feel good to hear that from your friends and family, please reach out to the partner that shared this video with you. By the way, my frugal self also loves that I earn all these products for free, extra paychecks to cover my mortgage and groceries, and yet I still get to help others, just in a more fun way than my day job. I hope you all have a lovely rest of the day and get to visit your happy place, wherever it may be, like mine.